It's legit 3 a.m. in the morning और मैं ये वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर रही हूँ. Hey there everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are sitting too close to each other because आज हम लोग करेंगे makeup. And what we are going to do is we will use this liquid eyeshadow. These two liquid eyeshadows to create two different eye looks. If you are a lot into makeup like me, first of all, I love you too. You must be knowing about the brand Steel Eye और उनके liquid eyeshadows. I don't know if they are the first ones in the market, but बहुत hit हुए थे, बहुत ज़्यादा. So Steel Eye is definitely not available over here normally. Like I order from Nykaa most of the time. So Steel Eye उस पे नहीं मिलता है. So this Wet n Wild is there. एक तो मैंने खुद से खरीदा था, एक मैंने Wet n Wild के goodies मंगाए थे, उसके साथ free मिला था. तो मेरे पास हो गए दो. These two look like this. Woo. You can see. Pretty, no? These colors are क्या है भाई? Emerald glaze. Okay, wow. This is emerald glaze, the green one, and this gray one is gunmetal. बहुत मेहनत से मिला है. So these are emerald glaze and gunmetal. तो हम इन दोनों से दो अलग अलग किस्म के आई लुक्स करेंगे और थोड़े weird लगेंगे, but we will try it. So most of the time you'll see me looking like this when I'm blending and everything because my mirror is right over here. For now just bear with it. थोड़ा इधर देख के then इधर देख के ऐसे चलेगा. I hope that you will like what is coming. So let's get into it. So I'm a person who does eye first. If you are also one of them, then hey, high five, virtual high five. So सबसे पहले हम लोग शुरू करेंगे आई मेकअप से with a big blush kind of brush. What I'm going to do is take some setting powder or compact or and just buffing it over my eyes. Why so? Because you want to cancel out some darkness and also you want a matte canvas to blend the eyeshadows perfectly. Although people also apply eyeshadow bases or concealer, but right now हम लोग बहुत dark colors के साथ play करने वाले हैं, तो इतना clear base की ज़रूरत नहीं है. All you need is like a good smooth canvas. So let's begin. सबसे पहले what I do for any eye look is lay down a perfect transition. What I am going to use is this nudes palette by Maybelline. It will do our job. Over the years, जो मैंने सीखा है about makeup is that if you blend it right and you use the right tools, चीजें सही हो जाती हैं. Also, guys, another tip. So, if you want a good transition shade for yourself, so what you can do is use your bronzer. So, I'm going to do exactly that right now. Is laid, so one eye green, one eye black. This is how we will go. This one will be black and gunmetal, this one will be green and emerald. For the green one I'm using this cute little palette from Natasha Denona. So this is my most prized makeup possession और ये मुझे मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड ने लाके दिया था. थैंक यू सो मच सेहर. एंड दिस इज एक्स्ट्रा स्पेशल बिकॉज शी गॉट इट फ्रॉम हर ओन हार्ड अर्न्ड मनी और उसकी वन ऑफ द फर्स्ट फ्यू सैलरीज थी एंड शी वॉज ऑन अ बिजनेस ट्रिप. शी वॉज अब्रॉड एंड शी ब्रॉट दिस फॉर मी. लाइक दिस इज टू स्वीट, it's not just makeup, it's emotion. So we will use this one. What we need is right now, although fingers also work fine, but पहले हम लोग एक flat brush लेंगे and we will pick this beautiful green color और corners पे लेकर इसको. Yeah, so we have laid this. Now I'll dip into my fingers because I think fingers perform the best in laying down color. बहुत ही अच्छा काम करते हैं fingers. Okay, so now the color is laid. We'll go into a blending brush. We need a blending brush. कहाँ है ये ढूंढना पड़ेगा. तो थोड़ा सा कलर में डिप करते हैं, थोड़ा सा डस्ट and we will blend it. Guys, eyes look बहुत ही easy होने वाले हैं. It's not at all difficult to do any of this. वी विल गेट बैक टू आवर फर्स्ट ब्रश, क्योंकि उसमें थोड़ा सा कलर है अभी, और एक थोड़ा सा डार्क ब्राउन शेड चाहिए, थोड़ा ब्लैक भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं इफ़ यू वांट, और इस आउटर पोर्शन को और डिफाइन करना है। यू बी लाइक क्या मतलब क्या गंदगी कर रहे हो, बट दिस इज व्हाट गिव्स द परफेक्ट डेफिनेशन टू अ मेकअप, लेयरिंग. Like you might feel it's a time of waste, waste of time. It's a waste of time, but it's not. Can you see the gradient happening, like green over here, darker over here, brown over here? This is what you want, and it was not hard to do. It's like hardly 5 minutes. So this thing is done. Shall we get into the liquid first? नहीं, पहले नीचे blend करते हैं. Get into a darker shade and blend again. Brush change करते हैं. Finally, we will dip into that bronzer, क्योंकि नीचे वो transition नहीं आया है अभी तक, तो थोड़ा सा bronzer में dip किया and go again. So don't worry about the fallouts happening right now, because इसीलिए eyes first कर रहे हैं. So now we will get into this liquid shadow. जितना lid space अभी बचा हुआ है ना, we will cover it with this beauty. फिर से I will get some on my fingers. So basically इतना ही काम करना था. It's so easy. Like if you are in a hurry और आपके पास 10 मिनट हैं to get that beautiful smoky eyes, this is how you do it. So yeah, the green part is done and you can see it's very pigmented. अभी दूसरी आंखों पे गंदगी करते हैं. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग ने बेस पहले से बना लिया था, the transition. We are just deepening what we had built. Since हम लोग एक ग्रे लुक कर रहे हैं, तो कम पिगमेंट पे भी काम चल रहा है. ऑल्दो आई एम सकर फॉर पिगमेंट, मुझे और डार्क चाहिए होता है, एंड दिस इज नॉट इनफ. व्हाट आई यूजुअली यूज फॉर सच न्यूड काइंड ऑफ शेड्स, ऑल्दो ब्लैक इज नॉट न्यूड, बट ऐसे एकदम जो न्यूट्रल्स होते हैं, तो उसके लिए देयर इज दिस मिलानी पैलेट. फोटो में डाल दूंगी क्योंकि अभी मेरे पास है नहीं वो. तो वो पैलेट बहुत अच्छा है फॉर न्यूट्रल्स. लाइक इट हैज़ द राइट पिगमेंट एंड इट्स गुड फॉर एवरीडे यूज. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो नॉट हाफ बैड. दिस वॉज ईजियर, लाइक ग्रीन से ज़्यादा ईजी है ब्लैक से काम करना. Gunmetal on. Again dipping some in the fingers और यहाँ पे blending. So this gunmetal is lot smoother than the green one. Green is more glittery. This one is more of a linear glitter. But it's nice. It went so smoothly. So you can see both of them right now. I hope I'm not too close. We will put some kohl in the waterline. So green colored kohl on this eye and black one on this one. Let's do it. So now I will go off camera, clean this out, put some liner and do the rest of the face, and then I'll see you again. So yeah guys, this is it. So these are the two looks that we have created using the Wet n Wild Catsuit liquid eyeshadows. Now you have to tell me that which one do you like better. This is how you can use liquid eyeshadows on your eyes. It's pretty easy. It's like instant smoky effect. You just have to do the transition and the outer portion, or with bam 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 and you're done. So this is like a really nice technique and I like the results. With the fallout and everything, you must be thinking कि क्या ही बकवास कर रही है ये लड़की. But see, everything came together. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video and you liked these two eye looks and that you would also like to create one for yourself. By the way, follow me on Instagram, guys. वहाँ पे भी मैं काफी बकवास डालती रहती हूँ. Okay, you might enjoy that crap also. Because अब ये भी देख लिया तो वो भी देख लो यार. थोड़ा और झेल लो. नहीं से क्यों झेलना, है ना? बात सही है. पते की बात करते हैं. Follow me on Instagram. That's it. I must shut up and go to sleep. I hope that you appreciate the effort and give it a like, please. And also subscribe if you are not already subscribed. And see you in my next one. Bye-bye.
Everything changes.